This is the sushi you didn't know you needed. Oh my God. So much salmon. Fried shrimp tamaki. Absolutely loaded with shrimp. Fried salmon tamaki with cream cheese and hot mayo. Just take a look at that. One bite for you. Filled to the brim with toppings. Space Bistro in Rockland, Massachusetts. You guys have wowed me. One of the best sushi experiences I've had, period. Ingredients were extremely fresh. Everything tasted amazing. Well seasoned. Fried to perfection. 9.1 out of 10. Amazing. Come and try it for yourself.